Welcome to our brand new launch of beautiful frames, and I have to say they are beautiful. So first of all, we have got the Deco fleurs, which are those ones there. These are smaller frames. They're not the huge die sets. These are the smaller frames. You've then got a rose trellis, which has got a trellis design in there. But then I have to, you're going to laugh now, I'm sorry. You know they name these dies. Listen to this one. Ravishing swirls. God blimey. So we have got 3 different designs in there. You're also getting stamps, okay? So here we've got all the individual stamps as well. So I'll just bring that into a stamp, and then you can see all the different ones that's on there. You've got all those gorgeous sentiments in there, which is going to make this die set go even further, because you're going to be able to stamp right into the middle of the design set. Okay, so let's have a look at the detail that you're getting on them. And I have to say, there's a lot of detail, guys. They may only be little frames, but the possibilities are endless. I mean, just look at all those. That's one die set. So you've got your bases in there, you've got your details, you've got your inner cuts, you've got all your verso edges in there as well. So that's die set 1. You've then got your second one, so that is your trellis. Absolutely beautiful. But I have to say, my favourite is that one there. I love that one. I don't know what it is about that one, but that's one of my favourites. And the cards the girls have made are absolutely stunning. I mean, shaped background, one of our old nesting dies, details in the middle there, bringing in memory books. So this here is being done on a memory book background, so you can see how gorgeous that is there. We've got little easels made with them as well, so a little easel card being made there. But I have to say, look at this masterpiece. This is something else. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful card that when it's untied at this side, look, all folds up. Let me just put that in there. Folds up into a little book. Isn't that wonderful? Yeah. So I hope you like them.